Hi, my name is Luke French, Chef Director here at Restaurant Jöro in Sheffield, and we're going to be preparing two dishes for you. One is with 231 day aged beef, and the other to follow that is a Celeriac steak. Okay, so this is the salt aged beef, 231 salt aged in a Himalayan salt chamber. The cut is sirloin and the smell is incredible. We're going to make cep and truffle mushroom ketchup. We've got these beautiful cep mushrooms from last year, so we freeze them down when they come in to preserve, and we've just made like a concentrated dashi stock into the water bath at 88 degrees, which then just extracts all the beautiful tasty juices from the mushrooms. We're now going to just pass off the juice, tap out as much juice as we can, and we've got this beautiful rich mushroom liquid here full of umami. So we're just going to measure out the mushroom juice now, about 700 mils. We're just going to add the mushroom juice to the pan, bring that up to the boil. Just going to gradually, whilst it's heating up, disperse the agar, keep it moving to hydrate it. Now we're on the boil, keep whisking it just for 30 seconds. And we're just going to remove it from the heat, and now we're going to pour it into a tray with a nice big surface area, and then we're just going to pop that into the fridge a sec. This is smoked butter, which we smoke ourselves. Just get a nice nut brown colour just whilst whisking. Okay, so we're there now, that is it. To make the smoked butter emulsion, so we've just got some soft boiled eggs. Just take 2 of them. Got some English mustard, just going to add a tablespoon. We've got dashi vinegar, brown rice, koji. Okay, so just blending it all together, just to emulsify all those ingredients. So they're nice and smooth now. Adding the smoked beef fat butter, just trickling the butter stage by stage. Okay, so that's emulsified now. The mushroom juice is set up now. Just gonna slash it up a little bit. It's just gonna make it a little bit easier to remove from this big tray. Just pour that to here. Just add that to the jug of the blender. What I'm going to do is just add to that a set mushroom vinegar. Okay, so we're just going to blend that now to a liquid. So what we need to do now is just pass that off. Just gently tap that and just let it fall through. Give it a little push. So now we passed off the mushroom ketchup. We're just going to put it back into the jug. Just going to add that truffle trim there. And then we've got a little bit of rapeseed oil, and then blend all this back together. Now that's all blended, that's the ketchup finished. We've got the aged beef, not done anything to it other than we've just diced it up. We've got the smoked butter emulsion with the beef fat through it, mix that through it, just trying not to squash the beef so we keep that nice texture. Just add a little pinch of sea salt, freshly picked thyme leaves, just roll that through it all. Just gonna take a couple of spoonfuls of the beef. Add the ketchup now. We're going to be quite generous with this because the beef is very, very rich. The Perigord truffles, a nice generous amount of truffle shavings here. And now we're going to add the truffles. Nice and generous. We're just going to completely cover the beef. And that's it. This is Herefordshire beef, sirloin, just aged for 231 days now. With smoked beef butter emulsion, cep and truffle ketchup, and fresh Perigord truffles. We're just going to go on to the next dish now, which is the barbecued celeriac, which is poached in beef fat. So this comes directly after the raw beef. What we do when the celeriacs come in is we slice them, and then we make the smoked beef butter. We add a touch of water in there just to emulsify it, a couple of slices of fresh garlic and some fresh thyme. Take them over to the plancha to get a bit of colour. So we're just going to pop that onto the plancha now. We just want to get that nice caramelisation on the outside of the celeriac. So we're just going to take that off the plancha now, and we're going to go straight onto the barbecue. The smoked beef fat butter that it was poached in now, we're just going to drop a little bit of that onto the binchutan charcoal, get that barbecued charred flavour. Okay, so that's ready to come off now. Got a lovely charred flavour on there. A nice cheddar sauce basically, so we use Lincolnshire Poacher. So we're just going to pipe that directly on to the celeriac, and then we're just going to gratinate it with the blowtorch. We've got another, like a gel ketchup made from gherkin juice. Little bits of the diced gherkin, the same stuff that the ketchup is made from. And some of the Perigord truffle, but we've just diced it up. And then finally, crispy shallots. Literally to plate the dish, nice and gently in the middle of the bowl. So you've got barbecued celeriac steak Lincolnshire Poacher sauce, gherkin, Perigord truffle and crispy shallot.